All right. I think I should be live. I should be good on everything. Mm-mm. Yeah, it says I should be good. So, really, everyone had a good Christmas. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, it's a good holiday season. Had some time off of work, spent some time with some loved ones, or just found a little bit of rest. So, cause 2023 has been a hard one for many. So, I will say, in light of that, I'll just say, good luck in 2024. So, yeah, yeah. Um, okay. What is going on? Maybe I'm. That's so weird. Maybe I'm the viewer. Oh well. So, really, I'm just gonna be spending this stream uh, customizing the the cards of this because these are kind of and I would like it to be more visually appealing um for other people because for me I can see everything and just that I know it's working, everything is good for me, but for someone that's like not that doesn't care about all this back end stuff, all this development stuff, they just want a nice and pretty product. So I will be, and as you can see, I've been using it a little bit. Uh, yeah. Speaking of 2023 being a tough year, I had some plumbing problems over the holidays, so I put my app to use and used the create note to create some notes, some pointers, some tips that I got for solving some plumbing problems. So at least I can say that it's good enough, at least for me to use. So that was really my main goal. I haven't really been using Apple Notes or Apple reminders any. And even then, I will be setting up something in the future that like sends reminders to people's email and hopefully to their calendar and whatever. But that's a little bit further into the future. But for right now, because all that I have planned is just right here. And I was looking at this a little bit, and maybe I'm talking too much, but um, I was looking at this, and I was like, wow, I do have a lot of stuff already. I accidentally pressed something. I do have a lot of stuff. Why is it doing that? Oh well. I do have a lot of stuff already here, so I don't know. I don't want to add more to my plate and overwhelm myself because I did add this this right here, and what I realized while using the app, really sometimes I just want to not just type everything because when I was using the app over the holiday like season, um I was typing, But then going through what I was like experiencing, I would much rather be able to just like, cause I'm not a, like a talking to the phone type of person, but I would much rather talk into the phone on this website, have like a speech to text translator, use the pre-built JavaScript speech to text tool, and just have that be the voice to text um have that be the voice to text like system, and just have that for now, and then maybe come along whenever I find another tool that can replace it or something else like that. uh let's have that in place. But what's up, Tim? What's up, Tim? I see you in there. I see you in here. But this is really the next big milestone, because I don't want to overcomplicate the whole styling thing of using the cards and whatever. So I'm just gonna use, where is it? It was right here. Oh, I'm gonna use one of these. I'm debating between. Hold up. I'm debating between using. Oops. Using this one or using this one, because I do like both, but I'm not necessarily sure what to use. So I'm honestly leaning towards this one. At least, like, because keep in mind, my thought process is for this app, there are two things, like two major things going on. These are the notes, but I have not made the feature of adding books. This little, whenever you go to create a note, there's two options: create a note or create a book. That's grayed out right now. Oh, maybe I'm peeking, but that's grayed out right now. In the future, I do want to create books that house multiple notes. So I want something to differentiate a note from a book, and not just a slider or something at the top of the screen. I would like to make the book a little bit different, and I'm debating if I should use this for the book and this for the card, or I don't know. I really don't know. But uh I don't I should this looks more simple to implement, and yeah, I'm using this one. I'm using this one. Actually, I might like switch my thinking and use this for the cards and this for the book. Just make it horizontal, of course, but use this for the book, because the way I see these three things down here, it resembles what I'm using for the cards, because eventually, like I said, in the future, there will be like task based stuff, and if someone wants to put like a deadline on something, they can. So, and oh, the deadline, like however much time is left, how many days or whatever is left, is gonna be right here. So that really oh, whoops, what just happened? Oh, that resembles what I would like to do right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and and use all that. So I might as well just dive into implementing this. Let me see what I need to import. Well, wait. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. I should be good now. But what I will do, and all the changes that I made previously are all live right now, so this is the same as what's on OptiNote.com right now. So feel free to go ahead and check it out in its current state. So yeah. Right. I may play something while I'm streaming. So I have wanted to listen to this album, but in fair warning, it does have some curse words in it, but I've heard good things about it. This is Danny Brown, Quaranta. What is... I'm not using any of that. Oh no. Okay. Let me turn this heat off. What's up, chat? Hey, what's up, Moody? What's up, Moody? How you doing? How you doing? Also, you're in here. I made a lot of. Hold up. I made a lot of changes. I made a lot of changes to the website. So hopefully you like it. Hopefully you like it. Yeah. This stream is probably gonna be a slow one. I don't know. I don't know. But you can feel free to chill out. Oh no. This one. This one. This one right here. This one. No. Yeah. OptiNote. Yeah. At least like it's in a operational state right now. So yeah. Um. Oh yeah. I was kind of explaining that before, but if you go to like create a note, the note stuff works. But this is grayed out right now because I haven't really like set up the functionality of what a book is. But essentially, like a book houses multiple notes. So like think of it like a notebook. Like um I don't know how to really explain it. Like a folder basically, just for multiple notes, but each note is just one individual note. So yeah. Yeah, now I'm trying to mess with some stuff, but now I'm kind of realizing that my CSS of this, or the styling of this, all this stuff was a hassle, and I gotta work through this again. So, yeah, but hopefully after this stream, all this gray and black stuff, all this gray and black stuff is probably gonna be a little bit more vibrant, a little bit better. So, yeah, yeah. Now I'm kind of thinking that like sometimes, hmm, I could just keep it as text, but at least this makes it a little bit more responsive because if you look at it on mobile, it looks like trash. So hopefully this fixes some stuff. Oh. Mm, oh, okay. Okay. Um, I'm not exactly sure where to take all this stuff from. Like, I could just do the old like copy paste and just do it verbatim how they say to do it, but yeah, because what I planned on doing a lot of just cleaning all this CSS stuff up and putting it into the CSS document because all this inline stuff is kind of amateur, I guess. So it's working, but I would much rather it at least be a little bit more cleaner. So say if another developer comes in here and looks at some stuff, it's a little bit cleaner to look at least from the HTML or JSX document side. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oops. Yeah. Oh, I didn't have to do all that. Okay. Now, what I will be doing, that seems useless. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that out. Hopefully I didn't break anything. Avatar. Put that. Oh. Really just an avatar. Never mind. Avatar and card. Okay. That's weird. What I could do right here. I'm just gonna do that. Oops. So go up here. Comment all this stuff out. And oops. Why does that keep on happening? Huh. Oh. What I could do is just take this, paste it right here. Okay. And see what comes of it. No, I need the background color of this. That's really what I need. Wait a second. Would any of it? No. Would any of that? Actually, let's do red. Oh. Okay. Now in this, I don't know if it'll be. Nope. Would it be justified content? And then if I do that, I would have to. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, oops. I could do that. And that works how I want it to work. Now it's just a matter of in each note card. That's what I'm looking at. To get to each note. Hopefully this text isn't too small to like follow. But again, I'm pretty deep into this series, so if if it's been hard this whole time, I don't know. I just don't know what to tell you. Oh. Alright. Let's keep that rolling for the time being. I think I gained a follower. Hold up. Let me see who it is. Oh, it was you. Hey, Moody. Okay. What I can do is just so weird. Oh. The width will actually be 100%. What just changed? Wait a minute. The width would be 100%. I'll just take that. Uh-oh. What? I need to hit up W3 schools. There we go. Let me turn this music back on. What aspect ratio? Oh. That's better. What would that look like on? Interesting. I would like it to be a little bit more horizontal. Let me go back to this and see. I'm sorry, I gotta play this just to mellow out. Alright. Let me try to put 16 by 9. Still is a little bit ugly. What are my other options? Oh, I don't have. This is weird. Maybe it's the fact that all this stuff. No, it's not that. It's not the meta. Because if I comment this out, it would just comment out the profile picture that was right there. Yeah. Which I kind of do want. That's what I do want. Like, the description would be. It would be. Oh, no. The title would be. That. Yep. That looks better. Now, I'm not exactly sure how I would. Because these pictures are big. These pictures are huge. I don't want the picture to be this huge. So I have to. Slap some type of styling on here. Oh, well, not that. Be a little bit more manageable. Let me look at. Because let me look at all the stuff that's being put in for a note. Is image one of these? Background image. So the image would be. Background image or that. Okay. That's what I would do. Not sure. Oh, whoops. I will use this. But I'm not sure if I would take the sizing off of it. Yeah, I would end up using that. Ooh. That makes it a little bit more. I could make them a little bit more square. What? I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'm just gonna leave it alone. Um, I wonder if anybody else caught that. My mouth was over it. I wonder if anybody else caught that. But that looks better. There we go. That should look a little bit better.
Well, clean up the dirt. There's just more dirt to clean up tomorrow. Make the bed. You just have to pay tomorrow. Wash the dishes. More to wash tomorrow.
This does look. I mean, I'm thinking about this. This does look better than what
It's growing.
is on the live version, I think. But I need to figure out something that's different
How much can you
than just copying pasting. Like, not copy and pasting, but like,
take before you snap?
how can I say it?
How much can you take?
Like using the same image over and over and over, because that does look like a little bit pooey. But what I will do to take some of that off.
How much can you take?
What is this? I don't know what that was. Okay. All right. What just happened? Hold up. That's what it looks like? Oh no. I gotta do something about that. Maybe it's that that's messing it up. No, can't be that. Oh, it's the width of it. Whoops. Well, it's a little bit bright for my taste. I gotta take this white stuff off. Hey Tim, I saw you in here earlier. Hope you're doing all right. Hope your holiday season was was merry. If you do celebrate Christmas, um, I just hope it was peaceful and everything. So hope you're doing well. Thanks for joining. Oh, oh, how was that? You go ice skating and everything in Rockefeller Center Tower Square, Rockefeller Square. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, during like December and New Year's Center. During New Year's and December, it's it's tourist galore over there, especially like down there, Times Square, Broadway, and everything. Yeah, even when I went, which was like in June, there was still a lot of tourists. But I think that's just like a New York thing, just having a lot of tourists. But how'd you enjoy it? Did you enjoy it? Mm. Mm. That's good. That's good. I'm pretty sure. I've never been to Boston, but I wouldn't be surprised if Boston had better food than New York. And that may sound like a crazy statement, but I think Boston has may have better food. Yeah, see, Alexis has been to Boston, and I think okay, aside from like clam chowder and stuff, like I think their seafood might be better. Yeah, New York has better options. New York has better options, but or more, not. eh. Yes, more options because there's more cultures there. But I feel like the culture that's already in Boston has kind of like perfected whatever they make, so their quality of food is just better. Like, okay, it's like, okay, for example, if you're going to restaurant A and restaurant B, restaurant A only has like three things on the menu, and restaurant B has like 25 things on the menu. You may have more options at restaurant B, but restaurant A has like solidified itself as like the restaurant to go to for pizza. And they only have three options, and those three options are incredible. So I think that like if you go to New York to try like multiple things, you'll get your taste of it, but more often than not, somewhere else in the country may do it better. But if you go to Boston for a specific like cuisine, Boston is the place to go for it. Like clam chowder, like I even think their crab may be top five in the country. Their seafood, their marine life may be top five in the country. Cause like there's Maine, people sleep on Maine seafood. Boston, San Francisco, Louisiana, Houston. Oh well, wait, maybe I don't know. Maybe if I if I put Boston seafood up there in top five, it's competing with like New Orleans, Houston, Florida, DC. I don't know. I don't know. But I mean, New York does have like the pizza market kind of cornered. Like people want to say deep dish. Oh, whoops. Deep dish versus New York style. I like New York style better, even though like deep dish may have a little bit more baked into like the yeah yeah something about just that New York pizza. I'll forever remember it forever. Eh, something about like deep dish. Something about deep dish is like if it's not done right, it'll get soggy. Oh, what we're doing what we're doing today is on the live version. Let me. There we go. On the live version, this is what it looks like, and I want to like upgrade what this little stuff looks like, especially because if I'm on like mobile, this is what it looks like, and it's functional, but I just don't. Hold on, let me turn this off. I just don't like the overall look of it. So yeah, yeah. So much stuff needs work that like if I look at it in totality, it may seem a little bit overwhelming. Like so much stuff needs work. Thank you, thank you. I put a lot of work into it. A lot of work. Many days, many hours, many empty hours, just me struggling, looking to the deep abyss of the matrix. But yeah, and I plan on really. I started off the stream kind of juggling two different like design styles or two different like ideologies. Like there's this that I went with, this style right here versus this style. And I'm not really sure what I would put in the picture part of it if there isn't a background image that has already been for set for someone or that someone has set on that note. And that's what I'm kind of running into when I'm should I keep that like this excuse me this view right here, like not view but like this color right here. Like I want to jazz it up a little bit. I'm mm, I don't know because the title and everything is going to be right here. The description, which they could set themselves. I can put right here. This is going to be where let me zoom out a little bit. Like the creation date, if there is a due date on it, their due date right here. And then this is going to be the modal that shows more stuff, like if they want to delete it later on, like more informational stuff. But the big part right here, I'm kind of struggling on the spot to figure out what to do with it to make it look better than what it is right now. And that's why I went with uh that's why I went with this one over the other one because it follows what I was doing before. But this isn't a bad option. And what I kind of figured out what I want to do whenever I do flesh out the creation of like books and like compartmentalizing all the notes and stuff, I'm probably going to use this style for the books just to differentiate the two. So, yeah, that's kind of what I'm what I'm fighting with right now, but this ain't gonna work. This right here is not gonna work. But what I could do is I wonder if I can go through. That probably won't. My thought process, what I'm thinking right now, is if I copy and paste this into where this right here is. There we go. Do that. If it would be different, but I doubt it. I highly doubt it because on one refresh, it's going to be pulling the same thing in. This may be a stupid like attempt. And I can easily like reverse it, but I'm just gonna try it. Yeah. On each refresh, it pulls the same thing anyway. So I will have it to where they could set the image like let me go to one of them. Like somewhere in here, they could hit this like more options button and then bring in an image they want to put as the cover image on their own. So yeah. The more I look at it, the more I realize that like this is probably gonna be a multi-day project. So yeah, and that's why I've been kind of thinking over the holiday like season, what I want to do with this. This part is solidified. Like this bottom part is great. It's just something about this top part. Which also made me kind of like debate if I wanted to stream this part of it or not. But I think it's necessary for other people to like see like how the thought process of an indecisive developer looks like and show them an example of what not to be like. So. But I'll just keep on trudging along and trying to find out what to do. Because I did look at, there was something I did look at. And just, where was I? And just kind of replicate. How about I don't know why. Because you said pattern with like a gradient or something. Be a little bit better. And just. Okay, this may be a little bit ambitious. But whatever color palette I'm using, set up like a gradient or whatever, like a pattern, like you said. And then like kind of randomize like which color falls into which pattern, like which color. Hold up, let me try to visualize it. There we go. Let's do this. Say for example, there's this, And then there's this right here. This won't be the pattern, but just like as a placeholder, follow me real quick. And then which one? Mine? Or is there another one? All boards page. Wait, what are we looking at? Uh huh. Mm-hmm. 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 That that's the title? Wait. That could be the title? I'm not sure. Yeah. See, wait. Just do that? Basically this? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's probably yeah, that would be the best thing. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm probably gonna go back. Oh, cover. Cover would be. Let's just comment this out right now. And I don't know if that would be a paragraph or no. There we go. What would that look like? What? Oh. What am I doing? It would be instead of an image, it would be like to take up all of this space. Probably set it up as a div. Yeah. Hold up. Let's do that. And then in here, if there isn't a title, do that. All right. Let me close this out. But the style of it. Oh, oops. Oh, it already is on GitHub. I kind of fixed the markdown of it a little bit, just a little bit. It's not really professional or whatever, but just to have something up there, I kind of did a little razzle dazzle. This works, but actually, I will be right back. I'll be right. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Thanks for sticking with me. Okay. Uh oh. Um, where was I? Let me try to figure out how to take up the rest of this space that I'm not using, or that needs to be used. This space, this space right here, I need to. I'm trying to figure out why this Twitch thing is messing up. Okay. I'm trying to figure out why this space isn't being taken up, because this display should, the height. Hmm. Wait a second. I don't know if y'all heard that or not, but somebody got honked at. Oh, that's why. This makes complete sense now. I need water. Wait, what? Why would that not be taking up 100% of? What? Wait. Okay. That's what I want to do. Mm. Remove the what? Okay. Oh, whoops. What would this right here be? Oh. Oh. But I need to. What this is exactly. And that's not doing anything. That's weird. Hmm. It's part of the API, I think it's called, of this. Yeah. Of the card API. So let me look through all this and see. Hoverable. I wonder how I would div style. Oh, it's not even that. Wait, what? Oh, never mind. That's the apply all. Okay. I gotta see if. Wait. Okay. Let me see if. Because I know for a fact that if I set this to like a set height, it would work. Yeah, that would work. But something about this not. Mm, well, I could. That looks weird. Right.
if I do 100%, it mean the way that I interpret this 100% to be, it means 100% of whatever this is, not 100% of the whole card. And kind of I don't I don't know how I would tell it to do otherwise. So I have to like manually make the dimensions myself. Because really and truly, the size is made up from here. I'm using aspect ratio. The card is taking up the width of this. So I'm using a row and column system. So that's it's kind of hard to really make sure that it's a set thing because I have to make it responsive. Then again, I could set up. I don't know if it will be maximum or minimum height. Could I do minimum height 100%? No, that don't work. That does not work. I'll probably have to make my own. Let me try something really weird. That's, no. Nope. Thanks for dropping by. Thanks for dropping by. Thank you. Thank you. Hopefully, I don't know if you got the notification in the Discord, but I'm kind of starting to say when I'm live in the Discord to keep y'all alerted. It may be a little bit short notice, but and I'll be streaming at the same time tomorrow. So it was good. It was good talking to you. Nice to see your face in here. So take it easy, man, and be safe. This weird thing that I just tried out seemed to show a little bit of promise because this, oh, this is kind of doing what I wanted to do. So I'm not necessarily upset with that. Sorry, my cat making a lot of ruckus. All right. Hold up. Let me provide a little nest for you. You comfortable now? Okay. Not sure
that would be better. I don't know if this would really. That calculation is. What would be. I'm trying to play with it a little bit to try to get the right one that I want. No. I kind of do like this size, but let's see. This would be better. Also, I need. And I have to make a note to transition all this inline CSS work into the CSS document, but justify content, center, and align items, center. Okay. That font size. I think, did I use font size 48? Yeah, I think so, yeah. Yep. And let's, okay. I could also do text align center for stuff like this. I kind of do want this whole thing to look like what it did before. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. So if I tap anywhere on here, it would send me to the document. Yeah. Okay. We're getting somewhere. The note title. Or note. Wait a minute. Can I do image source note dot background image? Oh, I don't have to do all that. Yes. I'll do that first.
hold up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me put a pin in this. What I need to do is note that background image, if it's true, render render. If not, then render note dot title. What is this? Why won't it? Please. I'll probably do span. Span. Note dot title. Okay. Something else I could do. I really want to. That's what I want to play. I felt like it was a little bit dry in here. So. This has been a very productive day. And I've had some pretty nice viewership, so thank you everyone that has joined. Like concurrently, I've held, maybe a little bit nerding out, but concurrently I've held consistently more viewers than I'm kind of used to. Hopefully this is the new norm. Hopefully. So, if you're in here, just make sure, not telling you what to do, but feel free to keep up with the stream whenever I go live. I go live pretty consistently in the afternoons and evenings. So, that is if you like the stream. But, oh, I need to change that. I'm not sure what I would really do about this. I don't think I set up the storage yet. If I did do this, when I do set up the background image to upload, like user upload, I will be using storage. That's what I would be using. And I've done it before on other websites. So yeah. I'm kind of thinking the width would be 100%. Let's see if that does anything. It does. It surely does. It blows it out. That's what it does. But at least it's something. Well, then again, maybe if I Okay. Let me look at it like this. Where can I go to make okay. 640 by 360. Uh, 640, 360. I don't know if that would. That looks good. Okay. 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 I think on that note, I'm probably gonna end it in the stream and just come back tomorrow. Cause I do like where this is going. I really do. Wait a second. Is that actually the same calculation that I did? Divided by 9. Okay. 64 divided by 36. Okay. All right. But like I said, I'll come back tomorrow and hopefully I can kind of finish it. But as of right now, it's a good stopping point. So thank you all for watching. I'll fix this. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. So I don't even know how to end this. Peace.